Russia's biggest recent offensive was expected to change the momentum of the battlefield. Military observers described it as one of the most concentrated armored pushes in months. Columns of tanks, infantry fighting vehicles, and supply trucks moved toward contested areas with the intention of breaking defensive lines through force and scale. At first, the advance appeared coordinated and determined. Heavy armor rolled forward supported by artillery. Supply vehicles followed closely behind to maintain fuel and ammunition flow. The objectives seemed clear: overwhelm defensive positions and regain strategic initiative. But modern warfare is no longer decided by mass alone. As armored columns pushed forward, they encountered layered resistance. Surveillance drones monitored their movement from above. Precision artillery targeted supply routes. Anti-armor teams waited for opportunities to strike vulnerable vehicles. The battlefield quickly transformed into a zone of constant pressure. Movement slowed, smoke filled the horizon, damaged vehicles began appearing along key roads. Logistics soon became a defining factor. Tanks require enormous quantities of fuel. A single armored vehicle can consume hundreds of liters in a short operational window. When offensives stretch supply lines across contested terrain, fuel convoys become high-value targets. Reports indicate that supply trucks faced repeated strikes, forcing some armored units to pause and regroup. In several sectors, advancing formations reportedly struggled to maintain steady resupply. Without consistent fuel flow, even the most powerful tanks lose mobility. And mobility is survival. Observers noted long vehicle lines halted along damaged roads. Whether due to mechanical failure, road destruction, or coordination challenges, the effect was the same. Momentum slowed dramatically. Meanwhile, defensive forces adapted quickly. Drone operators targeted vulnerable points in supply chains. Artillery units adjusted firing positions to disrupt staging zones. Every delay compounded operational strain. Infrastructure also played a role. Energy facilities and fuel depots, far from the immediate frontline, have increasingly become part of modern warfare strategy. When refineries or storage facilities are damaged, ripple effects can extend to military logistics.